Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Lexus NX with the remote. To begin, ensure your vehicle is locked and within range. This convenient feature allows you to warm up or cool down your car before you even step inside. It's perfect for those chilly mornings or hot afternoons, providing comfort and readiness. We'll cover the simple steps to get your engine running smoothly from a distance, making your daily routine a little easier. Activating the remote start is quite straightforward. First, make sure all doors are closed and locked. Then, press the lock button on your key fob 3 times. On the third press, hold the button down for about 3 seconds. You'll see the hazard lights flash a few times, confirming the engine has started. Your Lexus NX will run for 10 minutes, and you can repeat the process once to extend it for an additional 10 minutes, giving you 20 minutes total. Here are some important tips for using your remote start effectively. For safety, the system requires all doors, the hood, and the trunk to be fully closed. If you open any door before getting in, the engine will automatically turn off. Remember, the remote start is designed for convenience, but always be aware of your surroundings. Also, keep your key fob battery fresh to ensure consistent performance and avoid any unexpected issues. While remote start is incredibly useful, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. It won't work if your vehicle's fuel level is critically low, or if the hood, trunk, or any door is ajar. Also, if your key fob battery is dead, the feature won't activate. Always ensure your vehicle is locked before attempting to remote start. Understanding these conditions helps you troubleshoot if the system doesn't respond as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.